Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 8 in my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this Gift Wrap Dotticure. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Not Milky White, and then for the dots, I'm going to be using gift receipts and frozen bananas. I've got a small lid to put my polish out, and I'll be using both ends of the purple dotting tool today. I went ahead and added a layer of top coat, and that will help me to make corrections if I get any dots in the wrong spot, but hopefully things will just go smoothly. Once I'm done with the dots, I'll be finishing with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I actually did a gold and silver gift wrap design in one of my previous 12 Days of Christmas that used gold and silver chrome powder, and I really think it translated well to this Dotticure version. If you'd like to check out the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly, and if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.